Students, today we are going to learn a new poem, The Wind by Andrew Collett. It pulls at your clothes, it tugs at your hair, it whispers on windows to make people stare. It rattles your rooftop, it creaks past each tree, it charges down chimneys and roars with the sea. It climbs with each cloud, it dives down below, for wind is with you wherever you go. I am going to recite each stanza and explain it. The first stanza: it pulls at your clothes, it tugs at your hair, it whispers on windows to make people stare. In this poem, The Wind, the poet tells us about the nature of the wind. The poet tells us that the blowing wind flutters the clothes that you are wearing. You can feel it blowing through your hair. It makes whistling noises at the windows, making people curious about the origin of the said sound. It rattles your rooftop. It creaks past each tree. It charges down chimneys and roars with the sea. The blowing wind makes wooden or asbestos rooftops clatter, rustles the tree leaves, and makes a loud, deep sound down the chimneys. The blowing wind also leads to the formation of the tides at sea. The last stanza of the poem: it climbs with each cloud, it dives down below, for wind is with you wherever you go. The clouds usually signify the arrival of winds, and when they leave, so do the winds. The wind, being invisible, is, however, omnipresent, that it is everywhere, and we are amidst it always. In this poem, we have some lines which describe the wind like a person. They are: pulls at your clothes, tugs at your hair, whispers at windows. These words that describe the wind as if it has human qualities is called personification. Personification is a literary device which one uses to give an animal or object qualities or abilities that only a human can have. Personification is what writers use to bring non-human things to life. It helps us better understand the writer's message. It adds interest and fun to poems.